Hey guys, welcome to the Microsoft Excel series. So in this lesson, we are going to start from the very beginning. I'm going to be showing you guys what Excel is, what you can do with Excel, and also help you understand the Excel workspace so that you can feel comfortable navigating it. So you don't need any prior knowledge of Excel for this lesson. All you just need to do is to follow along, and by the end of this lesson series, you'll be ready to start using Excel with confidence. So guys, the first thing that you need to do once you've turned on your laptop, you open the Excel app. So how do you do this? So the first thing you do, first thing you do is to go to your search bar and then type for Excel. But then if you already have it on your laptop screen, you can just go ahead and open it. But if you don't have that, you can go ahead and type Excel, and this is going to come out. So I'm going to click open, and then you can see this page comes out. So guys, what you just need to do here is to click on the blank workbook, but then irrespective of whatever color yours is showing, mine is showing black because I'm using the dark mode, but even though yours is showing white, it's still the same thing. So all you just need to do is to click on the blank workbook to get started. So guys, so now we've successfully opened our Excel and then we're ready to start. But before we start, we need to understand what all this is all about. So what is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft is an app that helps us to organize our information and data, and also work with number easily. So it's just a digital sheet made up of rows and columns. So these are the rows, then these are the columns. So, and with these rows and columns, you can enter data. You can enter things like names, scores, prices, dates, whatever it is you want to do. And the powerful part of this Excel is that it can automatically calculate results for you. So if, for example, I do 1 year, I come here, I do 2, come here, I do 3. So highlight it. So you notice something. If you come here, it has given me the average, told me how many data that is there, which is 3, and it summed it up for me 6. The beautiful thing about this is that it sums it up immediately you do what, you enter the value. It not only sums up, it also finds the average. If you change any of the values, it also does what? You change the value and then you highlight it. It also does the average, count, and the sum instantly. So this is why Excel is widely used in schools, in businesses, in accounting, and so many other fields. So in this lesson, we're going to be focusing on understanding how Excel works and getting comfortable with the Excel screen before we start doing calculations. So guys, for the next part, we're going to be looking at the ribbons. So what are ribbons? So when I say ribbon, what do I mean by ribbon? So ribbon is just a place where you go to tell Excel what you want to do. So if you look closely here, you can see in all this area here, you can see they contain all the tools and the command that you need to use to work in Excel. So you can see this, you can see this, all the tools, all the commands that you need to work in Excel. So they are all here. So these are the ribbons. And as you can see, it is below the title bar. So now, if you look at it, they are divided into groups. So this is the home bar, this is the home tab or the home section. You can see we have so many things there. We have the cut, the copy, the font, you guys don't need to bother yourself. We're going to go into each and every one of them. But then I'm just trying to like show you guys the sections. So this is the home bar. Then we have the insert. So it comes with its own varieties of tools and command that you need to work. Then we have the draw if you want to draw. Then we have for the page layout, we have the formulas, we have the datas, we have the review, we have the view, we have the help section. So these are the words, these are the ribbons in Excel. So this gives us the tool that we need to do anything in Excel. So let's say for example I delete this, delete, then so if you're wondering how I deleted that, so I just did I just carry your cursor to it, hold it, then click on backspace on your laptop to delete it. Click on backspace and then just click on backspace and then it's going to delete. So guys, let's just, to make everything easier, our ribbon is our toolbox. It contains all the tools that we need to do what? To work in Excel. Then we have the tabs. These are tabs. We have the home tab, the insert tab, the draw tab, the page layout tab, the formulas tab, the data tab, review tab, view tab, and help tab. Then after that, we now have group. So you can see in the home tab, we have this font. So this is the font group. This is our alignment group. This is our number group. So they are all in groups. Then after that, we now have the commands, which are like our individual tool, like a single tool itself. So from this now, we are able to open our Excel. You can open your Excel by yourself. You can also, you know what the ribbon is, and then you can at least identify one tool in each tab. So a tool in this tab now is our bold. So let's do this. Let's do bold. So I want to make something bold. I want to make my text bold. I come here and then I type home. So I want to make it bold. Come here and click on the bold, and automatically it is bold. So this is it, and then when I click on it back again, it removes the bold on the text. I click on it back again, it's bold. If I want to make it to, see, I click on the word italics, so it has italicized my text. Then if I want to underline it, I can also come and do the other. So these are tools that we need. So these are tools that helps us to use our Excel well. So guys, now that we know what the ribbon is, another thing that you need to know is that you can also access all these ribbon commands without a mouse. All you just need to do is just to use your keypad for it. So why do we do this? It's useful for faster work and better productivity. So guys, if you want to use your ribbon without your mouse, so all you just need to do is to press on the alternate key. So all you just need to do first is make sure your home is highlighted, then you click the alternate key. So as you can see, it has given you shortcut on what you can use it to do. So our file is F, our home is H, our insert is N. So let's take for example, I want to create a file. I can press F and it will take me to the file section, whereby I can create another blank workbook if I want. So you can see for new is NOZIS. So with time you get to like know the shortcut. So and that thing you need to know is your quick access toolbar. So you can see these that are up here. So these are the most common ones we see: to save, to undo. Okay, this is to, so let's say okay, let's say I type underline, and then if I click on this, it has undone it for me. So if I click on this, it's going to redo it. I'm going to put back the underline for me. So guys, after this, there's also another important section that you need to know about Excel, and it's called the Backstage view. So guys, what is the Backstage view? So basically that's like the first thing that we see when we open our stuff, our Excel. But then to access it from here, you just go to your file section, and this is it. But then if for me you want, you can click alternate and F, and it will take you here. So this is the Backstage view. This part is very, very important because it helps us to understand the Excel more. So like I said, this is your home. If you click on it, it takes you here too. Then if you click on this new, you can open a blank workbook. Depending, there should also be templates too in your own, so you can open whatever new templates you want to use. So then see, open here. If you click on this, you can open any Excel file from your PC. You can add a place. If you want to open from your OneDrive, then you can browse from your system to open the file from. So if you click here, you can share. It. You can share it as send a copy. You can send it as a PDF. So we'll go back to it again. Then you come here, you see info. Want to click on it to show you about the info about the Excel that you're working on. So you can see here to show you the last modifier created or about the file. Then in this place you can save it. Then if you come here, you can see you can also print. So let's say I want to print, come here, print it. I can just put my printer to whichever one, or I can add a printer. Then I can also export and then close. So I want to change that. I'm not saving now. I'm just going to open another one. So guys, that is it for today's lesson. So we've learned about the ribbon, the Backstage view, the quick access toolbox, basically everything you need to start working in Excel. Remember, Excel is all about practice. Open Excel and use it more often. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more lessons like this, and then hit the notification icon so that you don't miss the next video. Also, leave a comment below with any question you have. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.